In the last video, we learned how to perform automatic blurring in SecurePose. In this video, we will learn how can we perform one-click automatic blurring in GPU and CPU version of SecurePose. For this video, I have downloaded SecurePose version 2.0.0. This version consists of two folders. One is called SecurePose. This is for GPU version of SecurePose, and another is called SecurePose CPU. This is for CPU version of SecurePose. In the first half of the video, we will learn one-click automatic blurring on GPU version of SecurePose, and in second half of the video, we will learn how to perform one-click blurring using CPU version of SecurePose. So let's start GPU version of SecurePose by clicking on SecurePose start file. Now I will create a new project named test_02. Now I will select videos. I am selecting the same videos as the previous tutorial. In the last video, we performed kinematic extraction and patient anonymization by clicking on kinematic extraction and patient anonymization menus. In this tutorial, we will perform these steps by just clicking on Express Blurring menu. Now I will click on One-Click Blurring. This button ensures that the highlighted steps are performed automatically with their default settings. We can find face blurred videos in the output folder of the project. Now we can perform manual quality improvement to improve the quality of face detection. I am not going to explain this step in this video. In the next video, we can learn about how to perform manual quality improvement. Now we will learn how can we perform express blurring in CPU version of SecurePose. The CPU version of SecurePose can also be installed by following the same steps used for GPU version of SecurePose. Now I will open the software by clicking on SecurePose start file. Every feature in the CPU version of SecurePose is same as the GPU version of the SecurePose except kinematics extraction. I will create a new project with name test_03. I will select the same set of videos as the other projects. Now I will start the express blurring. The blurred videos can be found in the output folder of the project.